So sometimes everyone just needs to do a build for the shop or garage. I used to have 4 of those plastic Sawhorses, but I ended up killing 2 of them when I built my workbench. I decided that my next set I wanted to build my own. So for these, they use an I-beam style where the top has 3 pieces cut at 32 inches out of 2x4, and the legs are 30 inches, also cut from 2x4. I was introduced to this style by Paul Meyette, and some folks may recognize this style as well from ones that Jay Bates built some years back. So I'll link both of those guys down in the description.